Hi everyone and welcome back to the Celestial Bricks channel. In today's video we will be unboxing a LEGO Shop at Home order. We actually placed these orders back in June when there was a promotion going on, that if you spend €85 you get a free promotional set, number 40409. We placed 4 identical orders and have those boxes from the orders here. Alright, time to open these up. So, from these orders we have 4 of set 76895, 4 of set 80104, and 4 of set 40409. First up, we have set number 76895. This set has a retail value of €19.99 and at the time of this recording has a paid out value of €49.30. A paid out value of around 2.47 times. This by itself isn't all that great, but when you take into account each of the other sets, it starts to become worthwhile. Next up, we have set number 80104, which costs €69.99 and has a paid out value of €253.27. A paid out value of 3.6 times, which by itself is really good considering this is at full retail price. Then finally we have set number 40409, the free promotional set. This is a paid out value of €23.82. In total we spent €360 on this order. When you take into account the fact that LEGO VIP gives you 5% cash back through their points system, the cost to us is €342. The total paid out value of every set here is €1,305.56. That means that the total paid out value of this order was around 3.8 times its purchase price. This is pretty good for an order from LEGO Shop at Home and just shows how valuable some of these LEGO promotions can be. That's it for today's video. Be sure to check out our Bricklink Store and other social media in the description. Thanks for watching and be sure to like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.